Hello everyone, welcome to Learner to Programmer. In this section, we are going to learn that why we are using BBC microbit to learn programming and coding. You might have heard so many different benefits to use BBC microbit to learn coding. Today, I am going to explain you or tell you or share with you my top 6 benefits to use BBC microbit. First of all, BBC microbit is very easy to use, and when it comes to the coding, especially for other languages like JavaScript, Python, Raspberry Pi or C++, you find it bit difficult to start with to do the coding or programming, where BBC microbit, and we are going to use Microsoft Make Code Block Editor, which is very easy language to understand, and microbit is perfect device to learn the coding and programming. Also, it is very lightweighted and the pocket size computer as well. The second thing is impactful. So BBC microbit has a big impact, especially when it comes to the education or to learn something new. There was a study carried out by Discovery Research which showed 70% girls want to choose computer science as a subject, which is so good. 90% students said that the microbit showed them that anyone can do the coding. Also, 86% of students say that microbit made computer science more interesting and useful to solving problems. So, microbit actually helps you to create or also to apply your ideas to actually in the real life examples. The third thing is microbit is inclusive. There is no limit. Anyone can start from zero to they can become project maker or they can become programmer. So this is the reason it is very inclusive device. I will take two points together, which is educational and STEAM. STEAM is basically it's a method or the type they follow to teach younger kids about different subjects, like S for science, T for technology, E for engineering, A for arts, and M for mathematics. So in the world, for especially for the educational system, they use microbit widely, because with the use of BBC microbit, kids can understand all these different subjects at the same platform, and it gives very good output from the kids about their understanding. So basically, when you ask any children or any students or any pupil, that when you ask even one question, you can get thousands of different ideas to do the same thing. So it is very useful. Almost, as I told you, 25 million children around the 60 different countries, they are using microbit to understand the other subjects like science and maths as well, with the use of coding and programming. The next is a programming. Yes, we are here to learn programming from beginning to that we can create our own projects. So BBC microbit has so many different features like temperature sensor, motion sensor, light sensor. They can check the magnetic field as well. So all of these things, LED lights and buttons, pins to attach something extra to BBC microbit, that help us to apply so many different things at the same platform, and we can give the excellent output. We can create something unique and we can make something big. There are so many projects out in the world with the use of BBC microbit. So these are the 6 top benefit to use BBC microbit when it comes to learn about project and programming and coding. They are easy, impactful, inclusive, educational, STEAM based, and very good for programming. Thank you so much.